regarding this sadhana. I said like, no desires, please. Sit without desire. Everything will come automatically to you. Now, Shiva, he is in the crown chakra. So just remember that. And with that, we will try to raise our energy and we will do this. This procedure is same like Shiva sadhana we did. Okay. But little bit extended. Yeah. First, sit in a meditative position. Everyone knows, right? Meditative position. Can I have chat, please? There is a chat. What is the posture? Sir, sleeping, sir. Yeah, in sleep posture, right? Watching TV. Anybody vote it? Yeah, Padmasan. Yeah, sit. Kechari Mudra. Yeah, sit straight, spine straight. Perfect. Yeah, that got my answers. Okay. And then pray to Shiva and invoke his energy. Hey Shiva, please bless me. Without your energy, I will not be able to complete this sadhana. Normally, what you do or unlock, those things are normal, common to everything. Okay. Then chant Om loudly, and while chanting, simultaneously chant Shivoham. This procedure you know, right? Oh, and inside in your mind, Shivoham can be chanted automatically. Can you do this, everyone? Oh, Shivoham, Shivoham going on, right? Yeah. When you argue with your husband or with your kids, yeah, you start arguing, right? And by the time they say their answer, you will have next fire question ready for them. How it is happening? Because mind is thinking inside. You are listening also, thinking also. Same thing. Here you are talking also. Yeah. And inside that thinking should be Shivoham. So both will be controlled together. Okay. Very easy. You did not bring milk. Next question will be ready. You are always doing this. Yeah. Yeah. Without listening to answer, fire will be there. And they will go back in time also. From marriage day, you are doing these things. Yeah. First 1 year, you were very good. And then it started. With kids, how it happens? You will never listen to me. You will only listen to daddy. That's it. It's gone. Let's not have that thinking, and we will control both mind also and our mantra chant also. Okay. After that, chant Shivoham for 108 times. Okay. And keep taking the energy from Muladhara to Crown Chakra. This we did already. So, Shivo, breathe in. Shivo, hum. Shivo, hum. The energy is going upwards and downwards automatically. Now, the fifth step is masculine and feminine energy. Don't worry about the PPT. I'll give you in the Telegram group itself. Now, right side is Shiva and left side is Shakti. Shivo, hum. While in meditation itself, you just concentrate on this. Right side, left side. When you say Shivo, hum, so that it will get balanced. Once it is balanced, then that means your both nostrils, everything is balanced in this posture. Then you go for Om Namah Shivaya chant 108 times. This is the minimum number I am saying. If you want to do more, you can do more. It is up to you. Okay. After chanting, sit for few minutes. Give thanks to Lord Shiva and slowly open your eyes. Okay. Every Monday, Shiva Abhishek. Okay, either in temple or with a small Shivalinga in home with basic items. Now you in foreign country you don't have Shivling anything. Do mentally. Okay, think that there is a Shiva in your Manipura chakra and start doing Abhishekam to it. First, turmeric water, chandan water, whatever you want to do, milk. Yeah, there is unlimited for the to do mentally. You can do, or you can put all the prasad, and you can pretend like you are taking that prasad also inside. Follow brahmacharya for all during the sadhana. This I kept it optional, but if you do it, it is really good. Vegetarian food, if possible, no onion garlic. There is no non-vegetarian here. If you have period problems, then don't do ninth one, Shiva Abhishek, and don't do sixth one with mala. So sorry, I forgot to say that with Rudraksh mala you have to do the chanting. Okay, so don't use the Rudraksh mala. You can do it mentally. And same thing, ninth one you can do it mentally. Then the best time is recommended is Brahma Murta between 3:20 to 5:30, but you can do any time and share your feedback or what we say your attendance in the group. We'll give you the attendance format also. And the last one is dinner should be completed by 7 p.m. Okay, this is the last point which should be there. Now I cannot do it. I'm in hostel or anything. You don't do it. You can eat later. But those people who are taking late, they are allowed only to take lunch directly after 12 next day. Okay. Now this is 7 p.m. Okay. Not a.m. I think that's all from this. Now, if you have any doubts, Shivoham chant loudly you can do. Inside also you can do. Don't worry. If no disturbance, mantra chant you can do it. Best is inside. If you are not able to do it, uh, then do it outside also. It's up to you. I don't have Japmala. Do it with finger or count it mentally. See, count doesn't matter here. Only matters is your bhakti. I'll send the PDF in the group. So perfect. I have only Tulsi Mala. Yeah, use it. We have in our website also. If anybody wants, otherwise something is near to you, you buy there. We don't force anyone to buy from here or there. It's up to you. And when you ask question, please give us some time. Somebody will give you back the answers later. Yeah. Do not rush.